Just got home and we are gonna go through everything we got at the garage sale. You wanna go look? Let's see. Come on, guys. All right. Well, we got this little toy for Lila. It's a Dora the Explorer, little camping Fisher Price, little people playing go campsite. That's cute. Looks like this needs to be opened. Yeah, it's gotta be opened up too. So let's see. Looks like we got Dora over here. Dora? She's holding a little kitty or teddy bear. And look, we got a little chair for her. Oh, and she can hold the marshmallows over the little campfire. There's a guitar, a little bunny. We got the tent. Look at that. Look, Lila. It opens up. And what's inside? A little sleeping bag, some shoes, all kinds of stuff for her to sleep in her tent. So when she goes camping, she can have a little spot to sleep. Oh, look, the bunny's gonna go in the tent. Bye-bye. Got a little handle, so we can bring it along with us if we want. She's roasting the marshmallows over the fire.
This one pop.
Look at that.
Want to do that?
Hey, Dora.
See that?
Oh, you got your monster truck? Whoa, it did a flip. Do it again. Do it again. Got the little guitar. She can hold the guitar too. See, she can kind of hold the guitar up. Whoops, kind of. Let's see. There.
Yeah, funny.
There we go. Dora's little tent. What do you think, Lila? You like it? Yeah. Well, you want to show me the monster truck again? Do the monster truck flip again. Do it again. Okay. Go ahead. Whoa, that was cool. How do you do it?
This one open?
Let me see. I don't know. It's got a little thing here. What does that do? Oh, it launches it off something. All right, do it again. We'll get another video, okay? Whoa, that was so cool. I'm going to send it back your way. Oh, go to send to Mama. Send to Mama. Come on.
I'll lay down.
Okay, one more. Whoa.
Don't catch it.
That was cool. You like your little toys, huh? The magic of garage sales. Never know what you're gonna find. $6 for all that stuff. It's awesome.
Look.
Yeah. What do you think of that, huh? Bring it over here. Whoa! Can it ride the skateboard? Can the monster truck ride the skateboard?
Yeah.
Yeah? There it goes. That's cool. That monster truck.
That's not bush. Come ready to get down. This one go up.
Whoa! Go get him. Oh!
Who is that?
Look, he landed up on his back. Whoa! Send him over here. Want to make a ramp? Let's see if we can go down the skateboard. I'll hold it like this. You put him at the top and go down. Oh, there you go. Whoa, there he goes. Do it again.
1, 2, this.
1. Oh!
Hey, you this. One couch.
Well, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh!
Well, this works.
Yeah.
Well, that one works.
I don't know. Let's try it. Let's see. Oh, he flipped over. That was cool.
About down.
I'm going to try that way.
We'll go
You
try
going to
go
do it?
this way.
Okay.
This one go down. I'm a good truck.
Hey, monster truck. Hey, Will, did you know you can ride on this? Whoa! He's fast. Wow. Oh. Oh. Oh, jumps. Oh.
Picture over there.
What's that?
Picture over there, okay? That glass.
A picture? That's the garage in there?
Yeah.
Oh, what a messy garage. Is that his garage? Gonna put him in there?
Put it up there.
Wow.